Things you didn't know about volcanoes. These incredible natural wonders have more secrets than you might think. Did you know that volcanoes not only create stunning landscapes, but also give us important clues about how the Earth works? Beneath their powerful eruptions, there's a complex mix of hot, melted rock and gases that shape our planet's surface. When volcanoes erupt, they can release scorching lava and shoot ash clouds into the sky with great force. But there's more to them than just destruction. Volcanoes actually hold a record of the Earth's history, with layers of hardened lava showing us how our planet has changed over time. By studying these fascinating giants, we gain valuable knowledge about how the Earth was formed and continues to change. So, the next time you see a volcano, remember that it carries stories of our ancient past and the ever-changing nature of our world.